A possible hurricane, likely to be named Helene, is forming in the Caribbean and could target the Florida Panhandle by the end of the week. There's a 90% chance it will strengthen into Tropical Storm Helene. Several models predict it will move north toward the eastern Gulf Coast, most likely affecting the Florida Panhandle. However, the storm's exact path is still uncertain, so residents from New Orleans eastward should be ready for potential impacts. The main concerns are flash flooding, strong winds, and storm surge. Landfall is currently expected Thursday evening.